Hello and welcome to Area at Edinburgh e Bilbidea. With this project, we aim to share with you the study we have carried out on the various aspects of Sakana: the geology, paleontology, archaeology, history, and traditions of the area. The route has 6 stops, starting at the Orobe quarries and ending at the Corasanista School in Alsace, where we study. At each stop there will be a QR code with a video that we have edited to provide information about each stop. If you have any comments, please send them to the following address. Welcome to the first stop on our tour, Area at Edinburgh e Bilbidea. The first stop is the Orobe Quarries, where we will tell you all about what our past hides. The geology of the area features a wide variety of rocks, with marble, limestone and granite being the most common. These are also widely used in industry, although rocks such as travertine and sandstone, which are more decorative and used in construction, also can be found. All of these rocks would not exist if they did not undergo a process of lithification, which requires certain essential factors to occur. First factor: sediment accumulation. The remains of marine organisms were left at the bottom of the sea that was here in the past. Second one: burial and compactation. Over time, new sediments were deposited on top of the existing ones, compacting and expelling the water inside them, becoming more solid. Third one: cementation. The minerals in the seawater acted as cement, binding together and forming rocks. These quarries contain many types of fossils, especially marine organisms that once inhabited the area, such as ammonites. These are cap-hole-pod mollusks, like squid, but with a spiral-shaped shell. They are very common in Sakana. Second, bivalves, also very common in Sakana, but more abundant in quarries. They are very similar to mussels and clams. Third, brachiopods, similar to bivalves, although less common and mainly found in the sedimentary layers. Fourth, fossils of corals and marine creatures. These are remains of reptiles such as the ichthyosaur, an aquatic dinosaur, and some coral that lived in shallow seas. The geological structures found in quarries refer to the Cretaceous period, an era when dinosaurs still existed. The structures visible in the quarry are as follows. First, horizontal stratification. This can be seen very easily due to the separation of the rocks, which allows us to study the evolution that took place during the Cretaceous period. Second, concretions. In some rocks, fossils can be seen but are covered by parts of a mass made of minerals around the fossil. Materials in quarries are mainly obtained using explosions, which causes a huge loss of fossils and a total loss of the ecosystem, alternation of the landscape, air pollution from smoke, etc. Quarries are a desert in terms of landscape, and explosions do not help, worsening the quarry's ecosystem, making it uninhabitable and causing a loss of knowledge of the past due to the loss of fossils. Over millions of years, the tectonic plates, the Iberian and Eurasian plates to be exact, moved and folded the land, forming the Pyrenees or Mount Erebus, and later the quarry with the compactation and sedimentation of fossils and reefs, transforming an enormous sea into an enormous mountain and quarry and a very important geological area. This was the first stop of the tour. If you want to learn more, continue the tour as guided by the map.